Tamil Nadu, a state located in the southern part of India, is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning temples, and picturesque landscapes. With its diverse mix of people, Tamil Nadu offers visitors a unique experience that is both enchanting and unforgettable. In this tour, we will take you through some of the best activities and things you can do in Tamil Nadu and show you how to make the most of your visit. Activity 1. Explore temples. Tamil Nadu is home to some of the most famous and stunning temples in India. Start your tour by visiting Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, the Brihadishwar Temple in Tanjavur, and the Ranganatha Swami Temple in Srirangam. Don't forget to admire the stunning architecture, intricate carvings, and beautiful sculptures that adorn these temples. Activity 2. Enjoy cultural performances. Tamil Nadu has a rich cultural heritage, and one of the best ways to experience it is through cultural performances. Attend a Bharatanatyam dance performance, which is a classical dance form that originated in Tamil Nadu. You can also watch a traditional street theatre performance called Kattakuttu, which is popular in the rural areas of Tamil Nadu. Activity 3. Relax on beaches. Tamil Nadu is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in India. Visit Marina Beach in Chennai, which is the second longest urban beach in the world. You can also visit the serene and picturesque beaches in Kanyakumari, which is the southernmost tip of India. Activity 4. Shopping. Tamil Nadu is a shopper's paradise, and you can find a wide range of handicrafts, textiles, and jewelry in the markets. Visit the T Nagar market in Chennai, which is known for its silk sarees and jewelry. You can also visit the Pumbhar Handicrafts Emporium in Chennai, which offers a wide range of handicrafts and souvenirs. Activity 5. Cuisine. Tamil Nadu is known for its delicious cuisine, which is a mix of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Don't forget to try the famous dosa, idli, and vada, which are staple breakfast items in Tamil Nadu. You can also try the Chettinad cuisine, which is known for its spicy and flavorful dishes. Tamil Nadu offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. From exploring stunning temples to relaxing on beautiful beaches and enjoying cultural performances, there is something for everyone in Tamil Nadu. So, come and explore this beautiful state with us and let us know you the best that Tamil Nadu has to offer. Book your Tamil Nadu tour package with Troper Tours today and experience the magic of this enchanting state.